The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Appellate Division's virtual admission ceremony. Ms. Guerrero, if you would please proceed. Thank you.
Thank you, Justice Renwick. May it please the court, good afternoon. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this afternoon to present to the court 30 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero. In advance of today's ceremony, my colleagues and I have considered this very important motion to admit these candidates to the bar, and they have authorized me to grant the motion.
Thank you.
Thank you. And Ms. Guerrero, as always, I ask that you please extend the sincerest thanks of the court to the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness for continuing to make great efforts, particularly under these extraordinary circumstances, to ensure that each of the candidates does indeed meet the important requirements for admission to the bar of the state of New York. These committee members work pro bono without compensation, and my colleagues and I do truly appreciate their service in helping to keep the admissions process functioning smoothly. So please thank them, and thank you.
I will. Thank you.
The Deputy Clerk of the Court, Margaret Soa, will now administer the oath of office.
Good afternoon, Justice Renwick. Good afternoon, candidates. Please raise your right hand. I will recite the oath in the form of a question. When I'm done, I will ask you to unmute your mics and respond by saying, "I do." Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law according to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond by saying, "I do."
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. Please mute your microphones now.
Congratulations to all of you. On occasions as auspicious as these, one of the justices has the privilege of just addressing you new attorneys, and this afternoon, that privilege falls to my esteemed colleague, Justice Jeffrey Oing.
Thank you. Thank you, Justice Renwick. So good afternoon. Well, now, yes, it's 12:03. Good afternoon. You made it into the noon hour. So good afternoon, attorneys. If you paid careful attention at the call, you were referred as candidates. At the end of the oath, you were addressed as attorneys. I think that's a very impressive milestones that you've reached. And that you all should be congratulated on that. This occasion is an incredibly momentous day for you and your families. Congratulations to you again and your family. Getting admitted to the bar would be an incredible accomplishment under normal circumstances. We, of course, are not in normal circumstance. Your mission is very special. Every generation of new attorneys has a defining moment. Your defining moment is like no other. It is unmatched in terms of challenges you will face. You are probably anxious, worried, and concerned. Just know that you are equipped to handle this crisis and so much more. You got through law school and the bar exam, obstacles that only a person with a strong conviction and incredible determination can overcome. Take today to enjoy the moment. As an attorney, you will encounter and overcome other obstacles. Celebrate those accomplishments. That said, you, like no other generation before you, are entering a noble profession at a time when so many need your help. Each of you has a unique skill and talent which give you the ability to use the power of the law. You must strive to ensure that the law is not used to diminish the rights of those who are less fortunate. Remember, as lawyers, you are the voice and face of the voiceless and faceless. Volunteer your time, your knowledge, and your skills to those in need. Indeed, I hope that you can tap into a cause on an issue that you hold dear to your heart and channel that feeling into pro bono work that is important and meaningful to you. Tapping into that energy will allow you to understand the meaning and value of justice and realize the importance of your pro bono work. Of course, doing so requires you to go out on a limb. That is an incredibly tough ask, but you can do it. Remember, success is the reward for those who are not afraid to fail. And to that end, know that failure is the best teacher we have. Your successes should not be easy. If anything, you won't take your accomplishments for granted. Having said that, I think to be fair to you, I should give you a piece of advice to help you navigate that long, winding legal road. You have the talent for legal research. Your presence here today is proof of that. To hone and perfect that talent, you need to have the courage to learn. I still have it. Listen and listen intently. We all have that natural tendency to speak and respond. Resist that urge. You will learn a great deal. This journey that you're about to embark on is a continuing legal education unto itself. This moment marks the beginning for you in your legal career, and nothing is out of your reach. Your future and accomplishments are limited only by your imagination and energy. I am confident that each of you will do your best to see that your goals are realized. Remember, you can make a difference and you will make a difference. This is your defining moment. You will make us all proud. Good luck, and here's your first judicial directive. Go celebrate this momentous and happy day. Congratulations again.
Thank you, Justice Owing. This admission ceremony is now concluded. Court is adjourned. Congratulations, everyone.
Thank you. Justices will all